Hello everyone, myself Vishal Fating, product head at Laser Technologies. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are an authorized dealer for Pan India for Alpha Laser ALIN 200 machine. This machine is capable of with 200 watt laser. The movement range is 400 mm in X, 210 mm in Y, and Z is 300 mm. The movement is controlled by the joystick, which is a very smooth and progressive joystick we are giving for the smooth operation of the movement. Then along with that we are giving the microscope, ergo wedge for the easy access to the operator. So operator can sit and operate the machine properly. Then we have camera options also, so we can project the welding on the screen as well. Then secondly we have turn and tilt, which is our patent product, where we can give the beam angle to the machine like this, and it can rotate 360 degree as well, which is very much required in the welding, repairing of the molds and dies. At Laser Technology, we are a business partner for Alpha Laser from more than a decade time. During this time, we have got a tie-up with the Alpha Laser for the manufacturing of the German products in India. That's called Indo-German collaboration. That boosts our Indian economy and the supports to the customer in field of quality and the price wise.